This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the storage compartment flap adjacent to the rear lights unit. Where applicable, when working on the left-hand side of the vehicle, remove the toolkit, car phone transceiver unit and any other audio components mounted in the accessory rack behind the trim panel. The rear direction indicator bulb is mounted separately to the main rear light bulb holder and is removed by twisting the bulb holder clockwise. Depress and twist the bulb to remove it from the holder. To remove the remaining bulbs, depress the plastic tabs and withdraw the main bulb holder from the rear light unit. Then depress and twist the relevant bulb anti-clockwise. Fit the necessary new bulbs into the holder, then depress and twist them clockwise until they are secure. Insert the bulb holder back into the mounting until it is secured by the tabs. Renew the direction indicator bulb in the holder if necessary, then refit the bulb holder and twist it until secure. If any components are removed to access the left-hand side tail light, refit the necessary components and fasteners. Refit the storage compartment flap adjacent to the rear light unit.